Today I make a short video to how I strengthen our garage door. The normal aluminum sheet metal garage doors that's just in many houses. I used to be an inspector. So this kind of the garage door is the weakest point of the house when the wind knock it down and it come in the garage and lift the whole roof off. So what I did is I put these. This is the same as this one from garage door supplier, and I added 1, 2, 3, 4 over each panel, so to prevent it from being twisted and knock it down by the wind. In addition, I put these bracket. Since you can see this right here is very thin metal, and they have a lot of holes here to reduce the weight, but in a way that too much of the metal removed, it weakened this frame. So I added at some points to strengthen it. Okay. Also, on the frame, the wood frame itself, you don't see it over here, but I put a bracket. Maybe you'll be able to see it. So to hold the house wooden frame together. And additional bracket to hold the rail, give it to some strength to stay intact. Now you look at this whole garage door, there's not much holding it in place other than this rail and hold it by these rollers. So if the rail is get knocked off, the garage door blown away and the rollers will not hold. So that's it. This garage door is the weakest link, the weakest points of the whole house.